Hey, Tamira Hamilton. I'm Black about the beauty of business. I was on a little bit earlier. Phone died, Facebook crashed, so I went ahead and did my whole face. But I wanted to come on and talk about the difference between these two primers. We launched these back in one in December and I think one in January. I love them both and for two different reasons. So if you don't know, primer, the function of primer is to do a couple things, and it's very most basic. Primer is going to fill in and make your skin, which is more like that of an orange. It has ridges and bumps, right? And so primer is going to go on and it's going to fill that in and make it more smooth like an apple. Now from there, you also can have different types of primers. Like for example, this is a mattifying primer and this is an illuminating primer. And so I kind of want to talk about and show you the difference between the two. Okay, so let's start with the mattifying primer. I can't even remember what's all in here. You can go to my boutique, which I'll drop the link for. But I love this because it's actually, I do not believe, silicone based, and it really softens and blurs the skin, right? So that blurring effect is why I like this primer underneath my makeup, because it just makes everything, the canvas, very smooth, very filled in, and I love that look, right? And so this is also great, the mattifying primer, if you have more oily skin. It's not going to make your skin very oily, which I know some other primers that maybe silicone based are not necessarily great with your more oily type skin. So you can see the difference there. That's very blurry, okay? And so then I also like to use the mattifying primer, which as you can see has a little bit of a pearl tone to it. I like to use that actually over makeup, or that's like when I wear more heavier makeup like what I have on right now, or what I like to do on days where I'm doing a little less, a little more of a natural or no makeup look. I like to use it just a little bit maybe with the foundation. So you can see the difference between the two finishes. This is the mattifying primer. So you can see that it really softens and it blurs. This blurs, but in a different way by reflecting light, okay? And so I have that along here, in here, and down the nose, in the center, right? To really kind of highlight, illuminate, and really bring that glow up. So I love to glow, and that's why I like this over, okay? So that's just my personal preference and style. You can use them both underneath your foundation. So your primer is always after you've done your skincare. So you've done your moisture, you've done your basic 3-step routine up to moisturizer and sunscreen, and then comes the primer. So these are the two. This is the more mattifying primer, and this is the more illuminating primer. So I'm going to go ahead and put my boutique in the comments, and you are more than welcome to go check those out and learn more about them. But I really do love them. I know the illuminating primer has avocado oil in there, which is really great for moisturizing your skin. I just like to get that. I just feel like when I use the illuminating one, it doesn't give that really blurred, extra blurring of the skin that a girl my experience likes and needs. And so then I like to use the illuminating primer a little bit mixed with the foundation, or like I said, I just put it right on top and really blend it in with a brush. And I do have on underneath here the new Bellame Facial Oil. This stuff is absolutely amazing. I mix it in with my body moisturizer. I actually throw a few drops in the tub. If you saw that video earlier, you saw me use it on my face. So this is a really nice lightweight oil that is not going to leave your face feeling greasy. So you can look at my face. I'm glowing, but I don't look greasy. It's a nice, natural, beautiful glow. I just love it. Turn and turn and turn and turn. So yeah, go ahead and check those out. I pinned the comment, And if you have not, feel free to join La Belladonna Click, which is my community. That is where you can find me hanging out every day, answering questions, posting memes, posting videos, posting tutorials, and just helping people figure out what they're doing, especially for those who are looking for beauty tips, tricks, and hacks over 40. And the link for that is labelladonnalife.com/click, or you can sign up for the actual free Beauty Essentials makeup class, a skincare beauty class, and that is labelladonnalife.com/beauty class, all one word. So I'm going to go now. I will chat with you later. Bye.